Menu, scroll right to utilities, next. Down to panel program, next. Pick the zone that you want to put it in, next. Scroll down to an empty, there will be a blank, next. Now you can put in the frequency, so you can go to, I'd go scroll right to 1 megahertz, then you can go up. Going to 154, I'm put in 1, so now we want to go down to 100 kilohertz and go up 1, that's what I want, next. And then transmit frequency, I'm going to keep it the same. It's a simplex frequency, so it's going to go up, go back down, 1.5, so next. And then is it narrow or wideband? This is wideband. This is important to make sure you get this. I've had this in the past. A radio doesn't have the right narrow or wideband, and then you can only get half the message or it's clipped. This one is a wideband, and there's no tones. This is where you put the tones in, so scroll QT so you can see 6, 7 at the top. You can go up or down. I'm going to go back, none, next. Transmit, same, next. And then transmit power on this little bad boy, next. Then you put a channel name in. L, select, A, A, select, D, select, D, select. This is LED 1. Select, and then we're done, so it's okay. And then next. Keep this change, okay. Do it again. And we're all done, so we're going to go back. And then we're going to go home. And we're exiting the panel program, yes, so we're going to press OK. It should shut off. There you go. That's how you program the Kenwood NX-5200-K3, I think it is. Thanks.